Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing the recipe for sweet and sour shrimp. This healthy and hearty dish features whole shrimp, pineapples, and vegetables stir-fried in a delicious homemade sauce. For the ingredients have shrimp peeled and deveined, salt and pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow onion, canned pineapple chunks, rice vinegar, tomato paste, sugar, cornstarch, vegetable oil, minced garlic cloves, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chopped green onions. To the cleaned shrimp, add a dash of salt and ground black pepper. Combine together and set aside for now. Remove the core from the green bell pepper. Cut the pepper into medium-sized pieces. Repeat the same steps for the red bell pepper. Remove the core and then cut into chunks. Chop the onion to about the same size as the bell peppers. Transfer the pineapple chunks into a strainer, separating the juice. The can yields 1 cup pineapple juice and you need 3/4 cup for this recipe. To the pineapple juice, add rice vinegar, tomato paste, sugar, and cornstarch. Combine until the mixture is smooth. Heat the wok over medium-high heat and then add vegetable oil. Add the minced garlic and stir-fry for 10 seconds. Add the bell peppers and onions and stir-fry for 2 minutes. Add a splash of water to moisten the vegetables. Add the shrimp and stir-fry until it just starts to turn pink, about 30 seconds. Add the soy sauce and oyster sauce and combine together. Now add the pineapple chunks. Stir the sauce once again and then drizzle over the shrimp and vegetables. Toss together, coating everything in the sweet and sour sauce. Cook until the sauce thickens, about another 2 minutes. Add freshly ground black pepper. To serve this dish, transfer the sweet and sour shrimp into a large bowl. Top with the chopped green onions. Enjoy this delicious sweet and sour shrimp as an entree or side dish. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.